Hello everyone. So after 3 days of working on the panel, mostly alone, here's the progress that I've been able to make. I'll show you around. I've been able to mount the panel on the inside the factory, and I've been able to do the trunking and wire a few of the sockets that I want to use for it. So I'll just show you around what I've done. So I've been able to mount the panel on Unistrut. So it's now on the Unistrut, and I've started connecting cables underneath, drilled holes, mounted it on Unistrut with these floor bolts, which I'm going to show you how I did it in my next video. How to be able to hold such a heavy weight suspended on the floor with these bolts on the floor. So I'll do a video about that. So I mounted this plug is for the cyclone. Wired it, put trunking here. Done the trunking. So this is a new tray. These new trays I've done them. I've also installed one socket here, wired it for the sieve. So here's the sieve. I've also mounted a socket for the flexicon here. No, this is a socket for the feed. I have to wire it. I've not wired it. And I've made mounted sockets is for two motors here that are underneath the mill. The mill, I'm going to bring the cable directly to the mill motor, because this is a 55 amp motor and I could not find a 55 amp socket. So I'm just going to wire it directly from the panel to the mill. So here's what's left to do now. I'm going to drill a hole there. I'm going to drill a hole there to connect, to bring in four cables, one for 4 motors here. So I'm going to drill a hole and wire that one. And also I'm going to feed the panel from feed the production panel from another panel outside. So in order to feed the panel, I'm going to drill a hole up there. I'm bringing a 10 amps, 10 millimeter square cable, or 16 millimeter square cable since from inside there. So I'm going to drill a hole and bring in cable there. That will help me to feed this panel, so that we can supply power to this panel through that cable. So that's what I've done these 3 days, and just gonna break off now for the Christmas holiday. At the end of the holiday, I'll start testing. I'll feed the panel and start testing the motors and the machines. So see you on the next one. Happy holidays and enjoy your Christmas. Merry Christmas to everyone. Thank you for being here. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And thank you for staying here with me. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.